You must have noticed that clothes dry at a faster rate on a sunny day as compared to a rainy day. What causes the clothes to dry quickly on a sunny day? Let's explore the reason. Evaporation is a process by which a liquid substance becomes gaseous without being heated to its boiling point. Different factors affect the rate of evaporation of water. In this topic, we will discuss two of these factors, namely humidity and temperature. Humidity. Take two evaporating dishes A and B. Place equal amounts of water in each of them. Put dish A in bell jar A containing a beaker of anhydrous calcium chloride and put dish B in a bell jar B containing a beaker filled with water. Anhydrous calcium chloride in bell jar A has the property of absorbing moisture from air and dries the air in it. The dry air contains very little water vapors. Hence, there is more empty space in it. So, more water molecules from the evaporating dish can escape into the dry air. While in bell jar B, the air saturated with moisture has less empty space in it. So, very few water molecules from the evaporating dish B escapes into the saturated air. Thus, from these two observations, it is clear that the rate of evaporation of water in bell jar A is faster than in bell jar B. This activity reveals that the rate of evaporation of water decreases in humid conditions. Temperature. Place equal amounts of water in two similar vessels C and D. Then place vessel C out in the sun and D under the shade. Water molecules in vessel C absorb heat energy from the sun and start vibrating vigorously and escape from the surface of the water to enter into the air, while water molecules in the other vessel D placed under the shade do not get enough heat energy. So, very few water molecules in the form of vapors enters the air. Thus, the rate of evaporation of water increases when the temperature increases. We can explain the factors of humidity and temperature in our daily lives too. The clothes dry in the sun because of the heat energy provided by the sun, while clothes do not dry in the rainy season or humid air due to the presence of a higher moisture content. We will study the other two factors that affect the rate of evaporation in our subsequent topic. To summarize, we have studied that the rate of evaporation decreases with an increase in the humidity of the surrounding air and increases with a rise in the temperature of the surroundings. Thus, the increased humidity on a rainy day doesn't allow the clothes to dry quickly. But have you ever realized why clothes need to be spread properly for drying them quickly? Stay tuned to find the answer.